There's my setup right there. Just kind of going through how I'm going to do this. First do the left side, wrap it around, do the right side, wrap it around, and then wrap it around that middle rail there at the top. Obviously, I'm going to mix the epoxy and put the epoxy on there. There's the epoxy right there. Plastic knives that are disposable. Yeah, there it is right there, 2 parts. Push it in there and then you mix it up. Sets in a few minutes. But you got to use it relatively quick. There's the paper plate and the paper towel. There's that fitting with everything dried off and the glue mess. There's my snow dog Rocky, always watching me. Rocky. It's going to be a mess. There, I just put the epoxy on there. You got to wear the gloves, protect your arms, and protect all the pieces and items you don't want to get that epoxy on, because it will bond. It will bond with whatever it gets onto, mostly whatever it gets onto.